Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're looking at something that is fundamentally changing how we process massive amounts of information. To really get why this is such a big deal, I want you to picture a scenario. Imagine a student, let's call them student A. It's late, they are completely overwhelmed. Staring right back at them from their computer screen is this massive, dense Class 10 science PDF all about chemical reactions. The exam is looming, panic is definitely setting in, and honestly, the sheer volume of text just feels impossible to get through. But then, enter student B, who calmly slides over and introduces a tool that is literally about to save student A's grade and, let's be real, their sanity. Because that exact terrifying question is running on a loop in student A's mind. How are we going to finish this whole chemistry chapter by tomorrow? It is that classic sinking feeling. You realize you have to read this highly technical, difficult material line by line and just hope your brain somehow absorbs it all. We've absolutely all been there, right? Just staring blankly at a complex document. But student B, no panic at all. They just pull up a browser window and say, okay, let's dive into this. And they pull out their ultimate secret weapon for learning.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what student B brings to the table. NotebookLM. So this is an AI tool from Google, and its official tagline is a pretty bold promise. It says, understand anything. Now, this isn't just another search engine. It's designed to act as your personalized, highly intelligent study assistant. Whether you're a student tackling that 10th grade science textbook, a professional grinding through reports, or just someone who loves learning but hates getting bogged down in heavy text, this tool is built to literally do the heavy lifting for you. It's designed to make digesting information not just effortless, but actually engaging.
Let's look at the difference here, because the contrast is pretty stark. On the left, you've got the old way, that painful, traditional method of staring at a dense PDF, forcing yourself to read it line by line, and probably falling asleep at your desk in the process. But on the right, the NotebookLM way. This is what student B shows student A. Instead of just reading, you are suddenly equipped with instant document summaries, interactive mind maps, and incredibly, custom audio generated directly from your specific textbook. It transforms this static, boring document into a fully dynamic, multisensory learning experience. Now, you might be thinking, okay, a tool this powerful must be incredibly complex to set up, right? Actually, scratch that. It is staggeringly simple. Student B walks them through it. Step 1, open NotebookLM. Step 2, click Create New Notebook. Step 3, literally just drag and drop that terrifying Class 10 science PDF right into the browser, or, paste a link if it's an online article, and that's it, the whole shebang. No complex coding, no lengthy setup. You just hand the AI your massive document and tell it to get to work. And almost instantly, boom, the AI scans that heavy, intimidating document and spits out a high-level, easy-to-read summary of the entire thing. Student A is just watching in absolute amazement. Before they've even read a single chapter, they now have a complete roadmap of what the textbook covers, who wrote it, and all the core concepts inside. It completely eliminates that initial friction, That fear of starting a huge study session. It's gone, because the AI has already broken the ice for you. Let's take a look at how it handles the actual technical material, which is absolutely crucial here. If you're struggling with Class 10 chemical reactions, NotebookLM summarizes those technical equations into simple, everyday language. Think about this analogy from the summary. It frames a chemical equation like a recipe. Your reactants? Well, those are simply your ingredients. And your products? That's the cake that comes right out of the oven. By instantly simplifying these rigid scientific concepts into language anyone could understand, the tool makes sure student A actually grasps the foundation before diving into the complex math. But text summaries are really just the beginning. NotebookLM also generates interactive mind maps. It takes all the info in your document and generates this visual web of topics. Student B explains that you can just use your mouse to click and drag through complex topics, visually exploring how different concepts connect to one another. You can dive deep into specific subtopics, and, this is great for notes, if you want to keep it, the entire generated mind map is fully downloadable with just one click. To see how this works in practice, let's trace a real flow pulled from the source data when the tool analyzed a massive article on AI usage. Student A can literally trace the flow of information visually. The primary node is real-world AI usage analysis, right? Then, by clicking an arrow, they dive deeper into methodology and scope, which branches out into 4 more areas, including platform details. And diving even deeper reveals it's a multimodal AI interface platform. It's like a giant puzzle. It allows the learner to logically unpack dense, nested info step by step, making an impenetrable wall of text beautifully structured and digestible. Okay, but the feature that absolutely changes the game is the audio overview. Student B hits a button, and it is nothing short of magic. It literally turns your boring textbook or any PDF you've uploaded into a two-person audio conversation. Two AI voices will actually have a discussion about the specific material in your document. It stops feeling like a lecture from a rigid teacher and starts feeling like you're just eavesdropping on this fascinating study buddy session between two extremely smart people. Just listen to this direct quote generated by the AI from the Science PDF's audio overview. We think of life in terms of visible movement. A dog running, chest rising and falling, a flower turning to the sun. Student A listens to this snippet and is just blown away. The AI sounds exactly like two real humans discussing biological and scientific concepts naturally and conversationally. It brings the sterile text of a PDF to life, painting vivid pictures with words. It makes those scientific concepts incredibly memorable. And this brilliantly illustrates just how adaptable the tool is. The audio isn't just a one-size-fits-all thing. You can heavily customize the output. Student B points out that they don't even have to listen in English. The tool offers options like Hindi, Punjabi, and Gujarati. You can also change the style. Maybe you want the two AI hosts to have a lively debate about chemical equations. Or maybe you just want a straight-to-the-point brief. You can even adjust the length from short to long depending on how much time you have before the exam. Think about the practical application of this for a second. On one hand, you are trapped at your desk, staring blankly at a textbook. On the other hand, you could be walking outside, making a snack, lying on the couch, all while listening to an AI debate about chemistry in your native language. Student A immediately admits that listening to two engaging voices enthusiastically debate the material is infinitely better than feeling lectured at. It turns passive, painful reading into active, enjoyable listening. But wait, because Student B is not done showing off what this thing can do. From that single uploaded PDF, NotebookLM acts as a complete Swiss Army knife for studying. It can generate video overviews, detailed written reports, infographics to help visualize data, and even full slide decks. It takes the original source material and effortlessly reshapes it into whatever format your specific brain needs to learn best. Out of all those extra tools, this one is absolutely crucial for students. With a single click, you can generate an interactive quiz based exclusively on the textbook you uploaded. Student A is thrilled by this because instead of just hoping they remembered the difference between a synthesis and a decomposition reaction, they can generate a quick quiz and instantly test their understanding right there on the platform. It's immediate feedback, ensuring those complex chemical concepts actually stuck in their brain before the real exam the next morning. So, the crucial point is, what happens if after the summaries, the mind maps, the quizzes, and the audio, you're still confused about a specific chemical reaction? Well, there's a dedicated text box right at the bottom. You can simply type your specific doubts or questions directly into it. You are literally chatting with your textbook. The AI will scan the entire document, find the exact context, and give you a simplified, direct answer to your exact question. No more flipping back through hundreds of pages trying to find that one specific paragraph. As Student B wraps up this absolutely life-saving study session, it leaves Student A, and frankly all of us, with a pretty profound realization. If AI can now ingest, summarize, map out, and explain your entire textbook in mere seconds, what are you going to use all your extra time for? The friction of learning has been drastically reduced. NotebookLM isn't just about saving your grade on a chemistry test. It's about fundamentally redefining how efficiently we can absorb knowledge. I hope this explainer has shown you just how powerful structured, AI-assisted learning can be. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.